Hi, I'm Alex. Welcome back. Today we're practicing the U.S. Civics questions for the citizenship interview by topic. Before we start, make sure you know which test version you need to study. This is the older 100 questions civics test for people who filed Form N-400 before October 20th, 2025. At your interview, you'll answer the questions out loud. The officer will ask up to 10 questions, and you need 6 correct to pass. In today's video, I'll go through the questions in random order, and I'll give you one easy answer to remember for each one. I'll pause so you have time to answer too. Like and subscribe if you want more practice videos like this. And for more civics practice, visit civicsquestions.com. All right, let's get started. Holidays. Name 2 national U.S. holidays. Thanksgiving, Christmas. When do we celebrate Independence Day? July 4th. Recent American history and other important historical information. Name 1 American Indian tribe in the United States. Cherokee. Before he was president, Eisenhower was a general. What war was he in? World War II. Who did the United States fight in World War II? Japan, Germany, and Italy. What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States? Terrorists attacked the United States. Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II? Franklin Roosevelt. What movement tried to end racial discrimination? Civil Rights Movement. What did Martin Luther King Jr. do? Fought for civil rights. Who was president during World War I? Woodrow Wilson. During the Cold War, what was the main concern of the United States? Communism. Name 1 war fought by the United States in the 1900s. World War II. Colonial period and independence. Why did the colonists fight the British? Because of high taxes. Taxation without representation. What happened at the Constitutional Convention? The Constitution was written. What group of people was taken to America and sold as slaves? Africans. When was the Constitution written? 1787. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived? Native Americans. What is one thing Benjamin Franklin is famous for? U.S. diplomat. When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? July 4, 1776. What is one reason colonists came to America? Freedom. Who is the father of our country? George Washington. The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name 1 of the writers. John Jay. Who was the first president? George Washington. There were 13 original states. Name 3. New Hampshire, New York, New Jersey. Rights and responsibilities. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? The United States. What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens? Vote in a federal election. When must all men register for the selective service? At age 18. How old do citizens have to be to vote for president? 18 and older. What are two ways that Americans can participate in their democracy? Vote. Run for office. Name one right only for United States citizens. Vote in a federal election. What is one promise you make when you become a United States citizen? Give up loyalty to other countries. When is the last day you can send in federal income tax forms? April 15th. What are two rights of everyone living in the United States? Freedom of speech, freedom of religion. There are 4 amendments to the Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. Any citizen can vote. Women and men can vote. 1800s. Name one war fought by the United States in the 1800s. Civil War. What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803? Louisiana. Name one problem that led to the Civil War. Slavery. Name the U.S. war between the North and the South. The Civil War. What was one important thing that Abraham Lincoln did? Freed the slaves. Emancipation Proclamation. What did Susan B. Anthony do? Fought for women's rights. What did the Emancipation Proclamation do? Freed the slaves. Principles of American democracy. What did the Declaration of Independence do? Announced our independence from Great Britain. What does the Constitution do? Sets up the government. How many amendments does the Constitution have? 27. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? The Bill of Rights. What are two rights in the Declaration of Independence? Life, liberty. What is the rule of law? No one is above the law. What is an amendment? A change to the Constitution. What is the economic system in the United States? Market economy. The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these words? We, the people. What is the supreme law of the land? The Constitution. What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? Speech. What is freedom of religion? You can practice any religion or not practice a religion. System of government. What is the capital of your state? This answer varies by state. Visit civicsquestions.com/state to find the correct answer for your location. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? 435. Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? John Roberts. We elect a president for how many years? 4. Who does a U.S. Senator represent? All people of the state. We elect a U.S. Senator for how many years? 6. What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? Mike Johnson. Name your U.S. representative. This answer varies by state. Visit civicsquestions.com/state to find the correct answer for your location. Who makes federal laws? Congress. Name one branch or part of the government. Congress. In what month do we vote for president? November. What are two cabinet-level positions? Attorney General. Vice President. If both the president and the vice president can no longer serve, who becomes president? The Speaker of the House. What are the two parts of the U.S. Congress? The Senate and House of Representatives. What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful? Checks and balances. What is the political party of the president now? Republican. Who is the commander-in-chief of the military? The president. Who is the governor of your state now? This answer varies by state. Visit civicsquestions.com/state to find the correct answer for your location. If the president can no longer serve, who becomes president? The vice president. How many U.S. senators are there? 100. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? 2. What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? J.D. Vance. Who signs bills to become laws? The President. What does the judicial branch do? Reviews laws. Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now? This answer varies by state. Visit civicsquestions.com/state to find the correct answer for your location. What are the two major political parties in the United States? Democratic and Republican. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states? Provide protection. Police. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the federal government. What is one power of the federal government? To print money. What is the highest court in the United States? The Supreme Court. Who is in charge of the executive branch? The President. What does the President's cabinet do? advises the president. What is the name of the President of the United States now? Donald Trump. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? Because they have more people. How many justices are on the Supreme Court? 9. Who vetoes bills? The president. Geography. What is the capital of the United States? Washington, D.C. Name one state that borders Mexico. California. Name one U.S. territory. Puerto Rico. What ocean is on the east coast of the United States? Atlantic Ocean. Where is the Statue of Liberty? New York Harbor. Name one of the 2 longest rivers in the United States. Mississippi. What ocean is on the west coast of the United States? Pacific Ocean. Name one state that borders Canada. Alaska. Symbols. What is the name of the national anthem? The Star-Spangled Banner. Why does the flag have 50 stars? Because there is 1 star for each state. Why does the flag have 13 stripes? Because there were 13 original colonies. Those were all the questions. You can always find more free practice at civicsquestions.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. And good luck on your test day.